Hello, you are welcome to Your Security. My name is Lukman Osman. Today I will take you through the installation of MobSF in Kali Linux. So the first thing to do is to open your browser. Then you search for MobSF, GitHub. We click on the first link. You can scroll down to read more about MobSF. You go to code. You can also clone MobSF, or you can download the zip file. You will download the zip file for this tutorial. You can see our download has already started. Our download is done. We open the file. I will cut it and paste it on my desktop. This is our downloaded file. I'll open my terminal, ls. You can see our downloaded file is red. That is our zip file. Now we'll come back to extract the MobSF. You right click. Then we extract the file. This is our extracted file. So we go back to our terminal. Ls, you can see our extracted file is blue. Now we copy it. We change directory to MobSF. So cd MobSF. Now we are in MobSF directory. Now we type ll to list all the directory. So to install MobSF, we have to install the setup.sh. You need to install the setup.sh. So we can use bash, or we can still use /setup.sh. We are installing it. setup.sh. Click enter. MobSF start installing. We sit down, then we wait for the installation to be done. MobSF installation is done. You can see that they say installation complete. So the next thing is to run MobSF. So ll to list everything in the directory. So run.sh is to run MobSF. We use the same formula for that we used to install that is /. Run.sh to run MobSF. So now MobSF is now running. You can click on it. You can click on the URL for it to open automatically, or we can still copy it and paste it in our browser. So let me copy it. Open my browser. Oh, that's automatically open, but here still let me paste it. No, sorry. Go back and copy it. Copy and open browser, then I'll paste it. Then my MobSF is up and running. To try it out, I have an APK file that I want to use to try it. This is my APK file. I'll drag it and drop it inside MobSF. And you can see that it is analyzing. MobSF is analyzing it. So you can see that our APK file is done analyzing. This is our file name, our MD5 SHA-1. So you can see everything. MobSF is a very good tool for decompiling APK files. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, you should like, subscribe, and click